Whoa, okay, today this video is going to completely blow your mind because we're going to do a deep dive on selling psychology. So if you haven't made any sales yet, hold the phone, take notes, watch this video because we're going to put your selling strategy on its head. My name is Brittany and this is my channel Making Money with Mama, where I teach you how to make a full-time income in part-time hours. All the information I provide are completely free. All I ask is that you like and engage with my content so that I can continue to support my family while providing you free education. On my channel, you'll see all the Pinterest marketing, social media marketing, and digital marketing tips and strategies to help you grow to a full-time income just working in your spare time, baby. I'll have other freebies and resources located in the description box below, so you're gonna want to check those out after you take all the fancy notes on this video. And I'm so excited for today's lesson because we're gonna do a deep dive on how the brain works when it comes to selling so that you can hop in the psychology bandwagon, talk to the people that you need to talk to, appeal to what you need to appeal to, and have them turn into customers that keep coming back. Let's go, y'all. I don't know why I said y'all. I'm not even Southern. If you've never heard this phrase before, you're gonna hear it now. Sell transformation, not information. So meaning instead of merely presenting facts and features about your product, emphasize the transformation, the transformative impact it can have on your customers' lives or businesses. Why? Because people are more motivated to buy things when they see a product as a solution that brings a positive change or improvement. This is why you see side-by-sides all the time. An acne product or a makeup product is going to have side-by-sides. This is me with acne, this is me without the acne, right? Again, weight loss does it all the time. This is me before I did plan XYZ. This is me after plan XYZ, right? And this can work if you're trying to sell a digital product, an affiliate offer, whatever the case may be. You want to sell the transformation. It's not, oh, hey, I have a membership that will teach you how to make money. It has 12 modules, and one module is about Pinterest, and the next module is about Instagram. No. I'm going to sit here and say I'm about to kick your ass with some social media marketing tips that is not only going to grow your social media channel every single day, but bring you consistent passive income so that you can work more hands-off in your business, right? That's the transformation. I'm going to take you from having no money to having passive income every day. That's the transformation that I'm going to sell to you, right? And this can work with any product. We're going to get more into it okay? So how do we do this? One, we need to identify their pain points. The purpose is knowing the challenges and struggles your audience experiences allow you to position your product as a solution to their specific problems. So when you say, I know my ideal audience struggles with meal prep, they just can't figure it out, okay? They don't know what to put in their meal prep. They don't know proper nutrition. My cookbook or my meal prep book or whatever the case may be is going to make meal prepping so easy for you because everything is laid out down to the ingredients and what to pack each day, whatever, right? You're preaching the solution to their problem. Now, how can we find their pain points? Well, you can go out and do surveys and polls. If you already have an audience, you can conduct surveys, polls on social media platforms or through email to gather feedback directly to your audience. This is what I first did when I launched my Pinterest for Profits program. I started talking about Pinterest on social media and was getting questions and feedbacks and follows. So I put it out to my email list. I put it out on all my social media stuff. Like, are you guys interested in learning about Pinterest? Where do you struggle with Pinterest? What don't you know, right? What would you like to know? What goals would you have with knowing how Pinterest works? Customer feedback. Analyze customer reviews and feedback to identify recurring themes or pain points. And if you don't already have an audience of your own, you can easily just go to other people's social media platforms that have a very established following with a lot of engagement and see what questions people are asking on their posts, right? Do a symptom checker. Think about what symptoms your ideal target audience is having. So for example, if you're in the weight loss niche, symptoms they're having is they can't find clothes that fit right. They're afraid of bikini season. They feel scared to have to put on a bathing suit and go out in front of people. They're tired of their heart pounding walking up the stairs, okay? I don't even have weight to lose, but I cannot stand that because I am just out of shape. I don't exercise regularly enough and I don't have proper nutrition. So when I walk up the stairs and my heart's pounding, I'm like, man, I really need to fix this. I really need to take more walks or whatever it is. I need someone to tell me what to do, how to exercise, and what to eat. For the Make Money Online niche, your audience could be afraid of going grocery shopping because They know that it's just going to be so expensive with inflation and trying to buy groceries. It stresses them out having to put food on the table for their family, right? Maybe they feel guilty that they can't go on a family vacation. Maybe they're not a morning person and they want more flexibility. They don't want to have to wake up and go to a job. They want to be able to sleep in till noon and work from noon to 8 or whatever the case may be. They want to set their own schedule. They want to work when they want to work. Or vice versa. Maybe people are in early morning. They're like, man, if I could just start working at 5 a.m., I would have so much more of my day back. So that's kind of how I am. I like waking up at 5, being done at 10, and then I have my whole day to do what I want, right? So find out what these symptoms are. When you start diagnosing the symptoms, you can speak to those symptoms and people feel like you relate to them. And then when you offer your product as a solution to these symptoms, they're going to be like, wow, this person is talking to me. This person has a solution for me. This person was made for me. I have to see what they're talking about and what all the fuss is about. So let's go through an example, right? We want to showcase the solution as a transformation. The approach, we're going to shift the focus from features of your product to the positive changes it can bring about your customers' lives or business. So for an example, instead of saying, our online course has 20 modules to help you increase libido, you say, you won't be able to keep your hands off your husband. You're going to desire sex more frequently in just a matter of 3 weeks, right? And you can even illustrate a success story or case study that highlights the transformations achieved through the use of the product. You know, Sally Sue doubled the amount of sexual interactions she had with her husband in just 2 weeks, right? So maybe you're talking about products that increases libido. You have exactly what the transformation is, and you put a time frame in there, which is also a great frame of reference because people like to know, how much will this cost me, or how long can I expect to see results? These are common objections that people have. So when you put a timestamp in there, it really helps. Also age. So-and-so is 60 years old and having more sex than ever, because then people feel even more hyper-targeted when you're targeting their demographic. Differentiation. Highlighting the value of your product goes beyond listing features and involves emphasizing how your product uniquely addresses your audience needs. So how is your product different from any other product out there? Focus on the benefits. Instead of just saying the features, emphasize the benefits the customers will gain. For example, if you're selling a productivity software, highlight that it's a time-saving benefit that can lead to increased efficiency and reduced stress. Not, oh, this product does this. It has this feature, right? People aren't buying the information. They might not even know that they need that information, right? They want the transformation. They want the time-saving, more efficient benefits, not the features. Now here's something to get the gears turning before you do anything else and you get into all the psychology and the transformation and blah, blah, blah. Identify your ICA. ICA is your ideal client avatar. It's a detailed and semi-fictional representation of your ideal customer based on market research and real data about your existing customers. Creating an ICA helps businesses, or you as an individual, tailor your marketing efforts and sales efforts to attract and engage the most valuable customers. So think of this statement: I help blank go from blank to blank. So here are some examples. If you're a nutrition coach, I help clients go from unhealthy eating habits to nourished and energized lifestyles through personalized nutrition. If you're in the dog niche, I help pet owners go from frustrating behavioral issues to loving relationships with their dogs through effective training. Even something as so sub-niche as sewing, I help beginner sewers go from unable to even complete a project to creating a customized piece with advanced sewing techniques. So these are your transformation statements. This is who your ideal client is. Saying just, I want to help people lose weight or I want to help people eat better, that is way too broad and you're not going to target the right people. The more targeted you get on who your ideal person is, the better results you're going to see. The more likely people are going to buy your affiliate offers or buy your digital products because they think that you have the solution that was personally tailored just for them. Okay friends, I really hope you liked this video on selling. I worked so hard on it. I really hope it helps you identify how to make more sales within your digital marketing business or maybe even physical product business. I'm so happy to have you here. Please like and subscribe and check out my other content.